Welcome, friends, to Herbal Health and Vitality. I'm Sally, and I'm thrilled to be your guide on this journey into the world of natural wellness. Today, we're diving deep into the world of a beloved herb, one celebrated for its gentle nature and soothing properties, chamomile. Chamomile, with its delicate, daisy-like flowers, has been a cherished companion for centuries, offering solace and support for both body and mind. Join us as we explore the rich history, cultivation secrets, and incredible health benefits of this extraordinary botanical treasure. Get ready to uncover the magic of chamomile. Chamomile's story is a long and winding one, stretching back thousands of years and spanning across continents. This unassuming flower has woven itself into the fabric of human history, leaving an indelible mark on various cultures and civilizations. This humble flower, native to Europe, Asia, and North Africa, has been treasured by ancient civilizations for its remarkable healing abilities. Its delicate petals and soothing fragrance have been a source of comfort and relief for countless generations. The Egyptians, renowned for their advanced knowledge of herbal medicine, held chamomile in high esteem, dedicating it to their sun god, Ra, as a symbol of vitality and renewal. They believed that chamomile's golden hue was a reflection of the sun's life-giving energy. They utilized its soothing properties to treat a variety of ailments, including fevers and skin irritations. Chamomile was often included in their elaborate healing rituals and was a key ingredient in many of their medicinal concoctions. In ancient Greece, chamomile was a staple in herbal remedies, valued for its calming effects on the digestive system and its ability to promote restful sleep. Greek physicians and herbalists meticulously documented its uses, ensuring that its benefits were passed down through the ages. The Romans, too, recognized the versatile nature of this gentle healer, employing it to treat everything from headaches to wounds. Roman soldiers carried chamomile with them on their campaigns, relying on its healing properties to maintain their health and well-being. Imagine stepping into your garden and being greeted by the sweet apple-like aroma of chamomile flowers dancing in the breeze. Growing your own chamomile is a rewarding experience, and surprisingly easy. These resilient plants thrive in sunny locations with well-drained soil. You can sow chamomile seeds directly into your garden in the spring, or start them indoors a few weeks before the last frost. Chamomile prefers a slightly acidic to neutral soil pH. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged, and thin out seedlings to provide adequate spacing for growth. Deadheading spent flowers will encourage more blooms and a longer flowering season. Chamomile's reputation as a gentle healer is well-deserved. This delicate flower, often found in meadows and gardens, has been cherished for centuries for its soothing properties. This remarkable herb boasts a wealth of health benefits, attributed to its unique chemical composition, rich in flavonoids and terpenoids. These compounds work synergistically to provide a range of therapeutic effects. Firstly, chamomile is renowned for its calming effects on the nervous system, making it a popular choice for easing anxiety and promoting relaxation. A warm cup of chamomile tea can be a perfect way to unwind after a stressful day. Secondly, it acts as a natural sleep aid, helping to improve sleep quality and reduce insomnia. Many people find that drinking chamomile tea before bed helps them fall asleep faster and enjoy a more restful night. Thirdly, chamomile possesses anti-inflammatory properties, making it beneficial for soothing digestive discomfort, such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. Its gentle action on the stomach can provide much-needed relief. Fourthly, this versatile herb can also help alleviate menstrual cramps and regulate menstrual cycles. Its anti-spasmodic properties make it a natural choice for women seeking relief from monthly discomfort. Fifthly, chamomile has been shown to boost the immune system, helping the body ward off infections and illnesses. Regular consumption of chamomile tea can contribute to overall health and well-being, making it a staple in many households. A legacy of healing. Chamomile in traditional medicine. Chamomile's legacy as a healing herb is deeply intertwined with the history of traditional medicine systems around the world. For centuries, herbalists and healers have relied on this gentle yet potent plant to address a wide range of ailments. In traditional Chinese medicine, chamomile is used to harmonize the digestive system and promote emotional balance. Ayurvedic practitioners in India value chamomile for its cooling and calming properties, recommending it for reducing stress, improving digestion, and alleviating inflammation. Native American tribes have long incorporated chamomile into their healing practices, using it to treat skin conditions, soothe sore muscles, and promote relaxation. Beyond the physical chamomile in spirituality and ritual, chamomile's gentle nature and calming energy have also earned it a special place in spiritual practices and rituals across cultures. From ancient times to modern days, this humble flower has been revered for its spiritual significance. Its delicate aroma is believed to purify spaces, promote peace, and invite positive energy. Many believe that the scent of chamomile can help to clear negative energies and create a serene atmosphere. In aromatherapy, chamomile essential oil is highly regarded for its ability to calm the mind, reduce anxiety, and promote a sense of inner peace. It is often used in diffusers and massage oils to enhance relaxation and emotional well-being. Chamomile is often incorporated into meditation practices, its soothing scent helping to quiet the mind and enhance relaxation. Practitioners find that it aids in deepening their meditative state and connecting with their inner selves. This versatile herb is also a popular choice for dream pillows, believed to encourage restful sleep and vivid dreams. Placing chamomile in pillows is thought to ward off nightmares and promote a peaceful night's rest. Some cultures burn dried chamomile as incense to cleanse and purify spaces, inviting tranquility and harmony. This practice is often part of larger rituals aimed at spiritual cleansing and protection. Enjoying the gifts of chamomile brewing and beyond. One of the most popular and enjoyable ways to experience the benefits of chamomile is through a soothing cup of tea. Simply steep a tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy. You can sweeten your tea with honey or enjoy it plain. Chamomile's gentle flavor also lends itself beautifully to culinary creations. Its delicate apple-like notes add a unique touch to desserts, such as cakes, cookies, and custards. You can also use chamomile flowers to infuse syrups, honeys, and vinegars, adding a touch of floral sweetness to your culinary creations. Finding your perfect cup. Sourcing quality chamomile. Whether you prefer the convenience of tea bags or enjoy the ritual of preparing loose-leaf tea, there are plenty of options for sourcing quality chamomile. Look for organic chamomile flowers to ensure you're getting the purest and most potent form of the herb. Local health food stores and online retailers offer a wide selection of chamomile products. When choosing chamomile tea bags, opt for brands that use unbleached tea bags and avoid those with added flavors or sweeteners. For a more potent experience, consider purchasing dried chamomile flowers in bulk and brewing your own tea. A word of caution and a warm invitation. Before incorporating chamomile into your wellness routine, it's always wise to consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, have allergies, or are taking any medications. Remember, the information shared here is for entertainment purposes only and is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of chamomile, be sure to subscribe to Herbal Health and Vitality and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming herbal adventures. Until next time, stay healthy and embrace the power of nature.